Developmental Milestones app. We've made many additions to this app. In the Learn section, you can observe development month by month. Here we can follow the same child from month 1 to month 12. You can observe different positions, note what the clinical expert is looking for, able to briefly lift the head, elbows behind the shoulders, and also watch out for atypical development. From here, you can move on to different months and different activities. So I go to motor milestones here and I choose month 6. You can see all of a sudden in prone, you're now seeing some weight bearing on the extended arms, some reaching, elbows in front of shoulders. There are all different types of activities as the child develops. From there, you can move on and look at reflexes. Here we'll look at the asymmetric tonic neck reflex. You'll be able to look at what the stimulus is, what the response should be, as well as when it appears and when it should integrate. Here are all the reflexes that you can look at. When you're done with the learn phase, you can now go to standardized testing or observe. In observe, we have a number of different children performing different activities and during your observations, you can determine what you see, what the functional age is, as well as what the true age is and the diagnosis. All of these answers hidden underneath a little magnifying glass. Some short-term goals and some long-term goals. Under standardized testing, you can sort the various types of testing by diagnosis or age. Let's look at some appropriate tests for cerebral palsy. From here, you'll be able to observe the purpose of the test, the common diagnosis or conditions, the appropriate age, the psychometrics, as well as a link to the instrument for you to download or purchase, as well as more information. You can also sort these standardized tests by age, 3 to 5 years. These are the kinds of tests that you would typically use. And you have some case studies in which you can apply portions of the test. For example, the AIMS case study or the BOT2. Here's a quick glimpse of the particular section of the test and a key to compare your answers. And there you have it, the Developmental Milestones app. to enhance your recognition of appropriate development and atypical development.